Igbo na-ege ntị, anyị ekenekwa unu ọzọ na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka ife na-eme n'obodo and gbasara maka nnwere onwe a na-azọ. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na ya mbọsị isi gị ị na-esola ya na Igbo Media, kabalụ ga subscribe and turn on your notification ka ịlapụ ime isi any of our update dịka anyị na-drop ya na Igbo Media. Dịka o si dị, ewetara onye bụ nnukwu ihe kwesịrị ịma maka ụkọdụ na ọbụla anyị gbara nkịtị na igosi na ya bụ ihe na-eme n'obodo and nnwere onwe nke ndị Igbo na-azọ. Nwere ihe mee n'iru akwụkwọ oge gara aga, mana ya bụ ife na ege ya bụ ife meenụ, unu ga-esi ya bụ ihe unu adọrọpụrụ ya ọnụ kọmentị gbasara maka ihe ndị anyị chere ekwesịrị n'iru akwụkwọ. All right, over to you, sir.
Biafra people. Now, Simon Ekpa has replied the federal government, stating the reason why he is not going to back down. Watch out.
It was the problem that gave birth to Simon Ekpa today, because I said at a point, enough is enough. I cannot continue to watch my people being killed, butchered, and their head chopped off by the terrorists sponsored by Nigeria state. The one that break the camel back is a story that I would like to share to people of Greece today. In 2021, after the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or in 2020 before he was kidnapped also, terrorists attacked my village, slaughtered people that I know, slaughtered women and men that I know, cut off their head. And these people, I know their family, I know their children, and I watched this video. One of the survivors of this attack is still alive today. He saw Nigeria Army as part of those who came for that attack. From that day, the anger I have for Nigeria multiplied. One of the victims of this killing by the Nigeria Army in conjunction with the Fulani reside in Libya. He is probably watching this program. His father was butchered, head cut off. These particular killings, I documented it very well. I sent it to the president of Finland. I sent it to the Brussels during the time the so-called Allen White was still doing lobbying with the IPOB name. We compiled those things, sent to the United Nations, sent to everywhere. Nobody has been held responsible today. The next thing was the journalist that reported this killing was banned from entering Ebonyi State Government House to report about it, because they reported about it. So some of you may remember when Omahe journalists from entering Ebonyi Government House. One of those journalists, his mother head was cut off. This is the first time I am sharing some secret. But today, from 2021 to this date, As you can see, nobody have been arrested because nobody would be arrested. I decided that in addition to all the killings of Biafrans, from Aba to the invasion of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's house, killing over 28, according to people, they say there were people that were killed at numbers 100. They say it was 28 people that was killed in Oyendu's house. Coupled to Mpo massacre, this is a direct killing by the Nigerian state, not suspected terrorists or suspected headers. And I pray to God to opportunity to defend my people. And that opportunity is here. And I am defending Biafra with brutality. Very brutal. Nobody will kill Biafra again and live to tell the story. That's why anywhere they are in Biafra land, we will hunt them down. It is the best self-defense. In addition to that, the independent state of Biafra will follow it with diplomacy, political solution, and of course, the defense comes with the guerrilla warfare. We are not backing down. You kill us, we kill you back. They have declared that secessionists are wanted. They call me secessionist. Well, you can declare me wanted. We have also declared you wanted. And any place you see these people that are killing our people from Hopus or Dema, arrest them in Biafra land. Any place you see them, any day Tinubu will enter Biafra land, make sure he doesn't go back. We'll arrest them, arrest him. The same thing goes to Shetima. From this day, the target of the Biafra Defense Forces is to make sure that those sponsoring the killing of Biafrans will not be allowed to enter our territory. We must not give them a British space. We must not allow them to come to our land and kill and go. The time of that is over. We will fight them tooth to tooth. We will fight them iron to iron. We will fight them gun to gun. We will defend our land to the last drop of our people.
Yes.
And they are running mad because somebody actually stood up to say enough is enough. For this to happen, we must understand that the enemy has planted this, disagreement, disunity, fighting, and all that within the Biafra people. It is normal. It doesn't move me. It doesn't move anybody who understands what the government oppressors can do in order to weaken the collectiveness and the power of the people of the victim. And that they have done very well. Today, you see people who were fighting for Biafra many years ago. All of a sudden, they are not telling you that Nigeria, they are not telling you. And I want to make it very clear. Nobody owned Biafra. Nobody owned Biafra. Biafra is owned by everyone who believes in Biafra. Nobody have the monopoly to restore Biafra. The only thing is that God have ordained some people while giving birth to them from the beginning that they are going to be the one that God will use to restore Biafra. And today, we are here. And that's exactly what we're doing.
Yes.
There is no threat that will move us. And please, the media team, look at the comment section and remove the idiot. Our freedom is guaranteed. Guaranteed by the laws, international laws, the United States, African Union Charter, and what have you. I am promising you today, using this opportunity of this tour to Greece, to promise Biafra people that in a matter of days, we will start the legal process for Nigeria for reparation to Biafra, the Biafra government. That particular reparation will start few days to come. And the information will be public. We will fight Nigeria from all corners. We will fight them legally. As this particular declaration is approaching, we will make Nigeria very, very uncomfortable. It is going to be the only target we have is to make sure that Nigeria is uncomfortable on the declaration of Biafra. So we are going to fight them from African Union to the UN to any other entity that Nigeria is part of. The next step of this Biafra liberation is the application for reparation. Thank you, everyone.
Ndị be anyị daalụ nne na ụmụ Igbo ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ cheta na ihe a bụkwa Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi a unu nụrụ n'ụbọchị nke taa bụ 2nd of February 2024. anyị si na ọ ya dịrị ncha niile na mma na mgbe ikpeazụ na ncha niile ya ana Biafra ya adịrị ana Igbo ya adị ise dịka ị ga ya bụ ife ka ife nwere ikwu gbasata maka ya bụ ife airdrop n'iru akwụkwọ a chetakwanụ I need your own comment and share ya ka ọ dịche many Biafrans aka ka ha mara ihe na-eme ka ha sọpọtụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ihe ọ na-eme ka ha sọpọtụ Maazị Simon Ekpa na ọ dị m na mma ndị Igbo ka ọ na-azụ ọ bụrụ ọ dị m na mma ụmụnne ya na ụmụnne ya ọ gwara ka ọ ha n'ọnụ daalụ nri ngwa nke mesịanụ